stick in the trench. That's the whole point. Oh my god, people, the horror.
You just said stick on the trench.
Yeah, but stick on the trench because that. Oh my god. Run, everyone, run.
There you go. It looks nice.
Yeah. Okay, that'll do. That's enough. That's enough. Stop.
Hi.
Hi guys.
Welcome to the Traveling Hobbit. I'm Neil and this is Bishop.
Hey.
And it's a kind of like rainy morning here in London, and we're still in lockdown.
Well, you are. I'm still working.
But yeah, so what we're going to do today is going to be doing a banana cake, banana bread, banana loaf, whatever you wanted to call it, and it's all made out of banana, basically. So and other stuff as well. So this is the ingredients for the banana cake, banana loaf, banana bread, whatever you wanted to call it. And then you have to preheat your oven 180 degrees.
Flour gets sieved in. Olive oil, they go in now. Lemon juice sort of stops bananas browning, and the olive oil just adds a little bit more moisture, so the cake will stay moist for quite a while actually. Cake lining tin, like tin liner. The only problem with this is when you take them to work, people think you just bought it from the shop. But it's easier than cutting parchment paper or greaseproof paper to fit your tin. So you don't need to grease it, just pop the batter in. Yep.
So we're all done and we're going to pop it in the oven. It's 180 degrees Fahrenheit.
Celsius for us.
Celsius, yeah.
Yeah, sorry Americans.
So we're going to pop it in the oven. And that's it. Yay, that's my job. So we're waiting for how many minutes?
50 minutes to an hour and 10 minutes.
Okay, cool.
Cool.
1 hour later.
It's bloody hot, so yeah, it is cooked. Hold on for a second.
Might be better with the tea towel, but...
There you go.
Uh-huh.
Have a look if it's cooked. Barbecue stick, make sure that you poke it.
Go in the middle.
I think that's fine actually. Yeah. All clean here.
Cool.
There you go, that's our banana bread loaf.
That's
Cake.
stage 2, and now we just got to let it cool, and then we can finish it off.
So we just have to make it cool in 10 minutes time.
Yeah, and the rest, probably about an hour.
An hour.
Cool it down nicely.
To cool it down nicely, and then we're probably going to put some drizzle on the top. Just right here. Okay guys, see you later.
1 hour later.
So it's all cooked, and it's nice and cool. It's so clean that it just pops out of the little tray. And what we're going to do, we're just going to cut a little trench, a little V shape in the top of the cake, and that will hold our butter icing all in nicely in one place, so when you cut it, it's nice and easy.
1 eternity later.
We have a nice little trench ready for some icing.
Yay! And I'll do the icing.
Oh my god! Run, everyone, run!
I'll do the icing. I'm amateur,
He is amateur.
so I'm doing the icing.
Stick in the trench. That's the whole point. Oh my god, people, the horror.
You just said stick on the trench.
Yeah, but stick on the trench because that. Oh my god. Run, everyone, run.
There you go. It looks nice.
Yeah. Okay, that'll do. That's enough. That's enough. Stop.
That's cool.
Okay, now top with your walnuts.
I'll put my walnuts in now.
Here. 2,000 years later.
There you go. Looks gorgeous. Look at that. All nice and moist inside and very fluffy inside actually. And it's melting. Banana.
That's a surprise.
Yeah, it's good. Especially with the cream, it's nice. So that's it for today's episode, guys. Make sure you press the subscribe button below. Like, comment, and share, and comment something back, and press the bell so that you can see our videos every week. I hope you enjoy that, and I'll see you next week. So, ta-ta for now. Bye, guys. Bye.
Bye.